Good to see you here. This is Walk the Talk, and today we bring you the top 5 luxury brands used by people who made money and became millionaires. Wealth and luxury are very close relatives. The rich are always seeking out brands that will give them premium quality, superiority, and recognition. The rest of the people are always looking out for what's trending and what them big money boys and girls are donning so that they don't miss out on the trend. The luxury industry is brand driven and people buy based on perception and popularity. Here are our top 5 luxury brands which almost every millionaire is buying. As we dive in, please note, this video is not meant to discredit or hype anyone, but to educate, inform, and inspire you to greater financial goals. Leave us a comment on what you learned from this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to catch the next millionaire video. Number 5. Rolex. Rolex is the leading name in luxury wristwatches. The company was founded in 1905 in London, United Kingdom. It rebranded to Rolex Watch Company Limited in the year 1915. Although headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, the company relies on 4,000 watchmakers in more than 100 countries. Rolex has a major presence in the sports world with endorsements in golf, motorsports, and tennis. It created the world's first waterproof watch in the year 1926, and in 1956, it made a wristwatch with an automatically changing day and date on the dial. Ranked among the world's top 100 most valuable brands, Rolex is valued at about $9.5 billion with revenues of about $5.2 billion. The company produces more than 800,000 watches annually. Number 4. Chanel. Chanel is a French fashion house that focuses on women's high fashion and ready-to-wear clothes, luxury goods, and accessories. The company was founded in 1909, the House of Chanel, and is well known for the perfume Chanel No. 5, the little black dress, and the Chanel suit. Ranked among the world's top 100 most valuable brands by Forbes, Chanel is valued at about $12.8 billion with revenues of about $13.7 billion. The company operates over 300 boutiques worldwide. The shops are located in wealthy communities, usually in department stores, high streets, shopping districts, and inside airports. In 2015, the company paid a record $152 million for a shop in Beverly Hills. This is the most expensive amount paid for retail space in Los Angeles. Number 3. Hermes. Hermes is a French high fashion luxury goods manufacturer established in the year 1837 by Thierry Hermes in Paris. The group produces a wide range of items including scarves, handbags, ready-to-wear clothing for both men and women, riding clothes and saddles, fragrances, and household items as valid as wallpaper and tableware. All goods are sold exclusively through the group's own network of over 300 stores and online shops. Ranked among the world's top 50 most valuable brands, Hermes is valued at about $21.6 billion with revenues of about $7.7 billion. Number 2. Gucci. Gucci is an Italian luxury brand of fashion and leather goods founded in Florence in 1921. Gucci is the highest selling Italian brand and operates over 200 directly operated stores worldwide, as well as franchises and upscale department stores. Gucci is estimated by Forbes to be worth $22.6 billion with revenues of about $10.8 billion. Gucci added a children's line in 2010 to its collection of men's and women's fashion and leather goods, which include shoes, wallets, bags, watches, jewelry, among others. Gucci has also a strong online presence with nearly 19.5 million visits to their website in 2019, making it the 4th most visited luxury brand website in that year. Now, before we reveal our number 1 on the list, let me tell you what will happen to you if you don't subscribe to our channel. Absolutely nothing. So go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Number 1. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton is a French fashion house and luxury retail company founded in 1854 by Louis Vuitton. The company operates in 50 countries with more than 460 stores worldwide. For 6 consecutive years, from 2006 to 2012, Louis Vuitton was named the world's most valuable luxury brand. Louis Vuitton is the highest ranking luxury brand on the Forbes 2020 list, with a value estimated at about $39.3 billion US. Its most requested products include bags, belts, and wallets. Let us know what your favorite brand is, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you can catch our next millionaire video. This is Walk the Talk.